आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 13th August 2020. Here is a country has increased the number of corona cases that are the 24 lakhs 11,547. Recovery rate are 17 lakhs 8,719. Today's headlines are: electric mobility get the boost. The government allowed the registration of the electric vehicles without the pre-fitted batteries. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari says the better road engineering and the increased public awareness will reduce road accident by the about 50%. COVID-19 recovery rate, the country crosses the 70%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to launch the platform of the transparent taxation, the honoring and honest, through the video conferencing today. Now here is the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the platform for the transparent taxation or honoring for the honest through the video conferences today. The platform will be further carried forward the journey of the direct tax reform. The Central Board to the Tax and the CBDT has carried out the several major tax reform in the direct tax in the recent year. Last year, the corporate tax rate were reduced from the 30% to the 22%. For the new manufacturing units, the rates were reduced to the 15%. Association Chair, Accountant Association and also the amid taxpayer apart from the officer and officials for the income tax department. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and the Minister of the State for the Finance Anurag Singh Thakur will be present on this occasion. The COVID recovery rate have reached another high to the 70%, 3.38%. The country has reported the higher ever the single day COVID recovery over the 56,000 patients in the last 24 hours. Health Ministry said the 16,39,599 people have recovered till the date. The actual cases load for the country is over the 6,43,000, which is only 27.64% of the total positive cases. It's at the single day, the spike for the 60,963 COVID cases has taken in the various case load to over 23,29,000. National Expert Group of the Vaccine Administration of the COVID-19, the deliberation on the strategy for the ensuring COVID-19 vaccine availability and delivery mechanism. They met for the first time yesterday. The meeting was chaired by Dr. V.K. Paul, member of Niti Aayog, along with the Health Secretary as a co-chair. The expert group the deliberation on the conceptualization and the implementation mechanism for the creation digital infrastructure for the inventory management and the delivery mechanism of vaccine. They discussed the board, the parameters guiding for the selection of COVID-19 vaccine and the candidate for the country, and the sought inputs from the Standing Technology Subcommittee of the National Technical Advisory Group of the Immunization. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has ordered to concern official to the double of the L2 and L3 category COVID beds in Lucknow city. The state capital is now the hotspot for the corona infection, having the highest number of active COVID cases. It also has the highest number of the new patients. The city witnessed the 475 new cases of the COVID infection yesterday. The West Bengal government has decided to give the government job for the families the front of raking the corona warriors in the event of their death. The state finance department has issued a notification in the regard. According to the notification, new posts will be created if the requirement and job will be offered within the month of the submission application. Beside the government employees, doctor, nurses, ASHA workers and the contractual, the nurse staff, paramedical employees, sweepers, laundry workers, civics volunteers and all types of laundries, laboratories involving for the COVID-19, the management will be the cover under the scheme. The Maharashtra government has announced that a reduced by the 300 rupees rate the COVID-19 testing conducted by the laboratory. The State Health Minister Rajesh Tope said yesterday that the maximum charges for the testing now stand for at rupees 1,900, rupees 2,200, rupees 2,500, while no laboratory can charges about these prescribed rates. Tope informed that the decision was taken by the State Appointment Committee to regulate the COVID-19 testing. Charges to the patient do not face any financial burden. In Madhya Pradesh, the State Tourism Development Corporation has opened all type hotel and restaurant after the gap over the 4 months. The outbreak, the coronavirus pandemic, has the forced closure to the over 60 hotels and the restaurant that are the corporation runs for the state in the March. The government has Odisha has decided to enhance the pantry for the voluntary and the COVID-19 protocol. The state cabinet in its meeting yesterday has approved the proposal and effective necessary amendments for the Epidemic Disease Act 1897. It is application by the promulgating and the audience. According to the proposal, non-compliance with the norms or the use of the mask, social distancing, splitting in the public place and other such regulatory measures would attract for the imprisonment for the team, which may be that extend up to the 2 years, or a fine which may be extend up to the 1 lakh rupees for the both. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has called for the increase the investment by the international institution and the bodies for the Indian highways for the MSME sector. He said the automobile MSME are the two growth engines are the Indian economy, addressing for the Indo-Australian Chamber for the Commerce and the Women Vector on the trade, the investment and the collaboration in a road infrastructure. MSMEs in the minister said the India and the Australia are already cooperate in the road safety sector. He said the cooperation has to provide the better design for the roads and the awareness opportunity for the public. You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 13th August 2020.
आइए हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को आपको किस तरह सब्सक्राइब करना है। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ब्राउज़र खोलिए, या तो आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, यूट्यूब को खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च करिए, सर्च बटन पर टाइप कीजिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। जैसे ही आप ये करते हैं ये आपके सामने खुल जाएगा। इसके खुलने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर साई SAI आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है। लाल रंग का जो बटन आपको ये दिख रहा है, लाल रंग का, इसको आप क्लिक करिएगा। जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद दाएं कोने पर जाइए, दाएं कोने पर ऑल पर्सनलाइज नन, इसमें आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल पर्सनलाइज बटन को प्रेस करेंगे, ऑल बटन दबाएं। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन आपको लाल नहीं दिखाई देगा। आप सब्सक्राइब समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साइन न्यूज़ या समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करते जैसे ही आप करेंगे, उसके बाद समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया और साइन न्यूज़ पर जैसे जैसे वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे वैसे ही बिना देर के आपको ये सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आने चालू हो जाएंगे। आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की सारे वीडियोस देख सकेंगे। आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाइए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को कहिए वे भी सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। नमस्कार।